fitting.
And that's the turbo, and this has to be their secondary side that they're trying to. Holy hell in creation.
Okay, so let's look at the line. So this is the
That's an left out port.
so the inlet
to
line is coming through the
PCB.
PCB valve over here, there, and then the outlet is going to. Where is
The
this?
throttle.
That's the throttle.
Yep, right here, which is
Okay.
the intake.
Mhm.
And then to the turbo side, teed off.
Okay, I'm going to walk around there while you continue to point to it. Okay.
Looks like a secondary PCB system.
Yeah, but those are outlets. So
Yeah.
there.
That's out to the turbo. What side of the turbo is it? Front side or back side? That's what we want to know.
Oh, well, that's the inlet side of the turbo.
Okay.
Well, let me ask him why he's got that. So we've got this line coming in, the clean air coming in to, this is the inlet side of the turbo. And then you got it teed going into,
Secondary.
what is that?
That's just the other side valve cover.
So you just have it teed going in, and where's in the...
Normally, this will attach straight to that.